What is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. We got a little bit of a surprise for you guys today. I'd like to formally introduce you to my brother Brandon. Say what's up to the people.
What's up, people? Finally can hear me.
You can finally put a voice to him. So we got a mic setup for him. We recently got a GoPro setup for him, but we were just kind of messing around, doing some other POVs with the GoPro and trying to get the angle of the dangle right. But we weren't too worried about it till we got a mic. But we finally got him set up, so should make the videos a little bit better, hopefully a little more immersive.
Hopefully you can hear me, so don't talk loud. Wrong hand.
But yeah, we're just gonna cruise around a bit. We're gonna test some audio and stuff, see how everything sounds. I made a slight adjustment to my setup as well, and we got his setup, so just gonna cruise around. It's a nice day today, nice and breezy and cool, so had to take advantage of it and go for a nice cruise. And yeah, we figured we'd take you guys along with us, so try and make it entertaining for you guys. Yeah, we're still having some issues with the R6 we got to look into. The thing dies all the time. If you guys have any idea what it might be, let us know in the comment section down below. It runs fine when it's got throttle, but at idle and when you come up to a light and stuff, it chokes out and dies. I have a feeling it's like an injector thing or something, I don't know, but let us know if you guys got any ideas.
Mostly when it first starts.
Yeah, mostly when it first starts, but I don't know, guys. We're new here. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, great weekend. It's Memorial Weekend, so but yeah, it's been kind of a slow weekend. The weather was trash yesterday, so couldn't really do anything yesterday, which really sucked. And then most of the day today was pretty bad too. It finally kind of cleared up and got better, so we figured we'd go on a ride. Nice. And then tomorrow I'm gonna take my kids to the Aquarium of the Pacific.
I killed switch myself. You remember when you first put this exhaust on here and you killed switched it and couldn't figure out what it was? I just did that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I thought, yeah guys, when I first put the exhaust on the R6, it was, you know, it was running kind of weird with the tune and stuff. But, we were riding and it just like died, and I'm like, oh, I was like, what's going on? I thought, you know, the tune was all messed up, blah, blah, blah. I accidentally kill switched it. Noob.
I just did it after I did that wheelie.
All right, guys, we're gonna run in here real quick and we'll be right back with you. Alright, let's ride.
Hey, little guy. I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine.
So what are you guys gonna do for Memorial Day? Let us know in the comment section down below if you guys got any plans or what you guys are doing.
Did you get stuck? Yeah, I stopped at I didn't. You took off before I did.
Oh, okay. What are you doing for Memorial Day?
Hanging out with you, probably.
Yeah, I was just asking them what they're gonna do for Memorial Day.
Ooh, nice pop.
No, we missed the light. Boop.
If I'm not hanging out with you, I'll probably be adventuring on my own on the L Cruiser.
Nice. Well, and maybe you can make some content for everybody.
Yeah, now that they can hear me talk instead of just video. If they can hear me, I'm trying to talk louder than I normally do.
Yeah, well, that mic's pretty good, so hopefully the audio will be decent. So yeah, guys, I know we did a poll a week ago or so, and it looks like Exploring won that poll. So what I want to know, or what we want to know, I guess, let us know in the comment section down below, is what kind of exploring do you guys want to see? Do you just want us to like explore new areas, like new roads? Do you want us to actually go find like some crazy stuff and explore it? Like, just let us know kind of what you guys want to see as far as the exploring aspect goes. Yeah, because exploring could be several different things, so just let us know what you guys want to see. And hopefully you guys have been enjoying the content. And then we're thinking about possibly changing our upload date too, like the days that we upload during the week time. So I'll probably throw up a poll to see you know, what days and times you guys would like to see videos. Pretty soon I'm gonna have a video on showcasing all the power modes on this bike, because I know that's been a pretty popular topic people have been asking about and want to see. I mean, it's gonna be hard to showcase on camera the difference, but I'll try and explain, you know, the difference in power, maybe put a percentage to it or something like that, just so it makes more sense for you guys. But dude, I've got so many MT-09 videos that I can knock out, but I just don't like boring you guys with too much of the, you know, the MT-09 content. I'm sure it gets kind of boring and sometimes, but you know, we just try and do a little bit of everything. And you know, I just take it from my experience too, when I was researching this bike and trying to look up videos and see certain things about this bike and everything. It was you know, there wasn't a whole lot out there. I mean, there was nothing for the 22, only the 21, but they're fairly similar. There's not much of a difference between the two bikes. Oh, okay. Yeah, just pull, or, okay. Hold on, guys, we're having some technical difficulties.
My shirt's falling off.
Oh, I thought you said your mic adapter was falling off.
No, I said my blouse.
Your blouse. Look at that, he's already taking his clothes off for you guys. You get the boy a mic and then all of a sudden he starts stripping.
I think I could button it. She liked it. She was smiling. She's like, is he taking it off or putting it on?
Oh yeah. Take it off, take it off. Not me telling you, her telling you. Oh, hold on, I got flashers. There we go.
Okay. Ready when you are. filling up with air and like a parachute.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's no fun. We're gonna have another wheelie video for you guys coming up pretty soon too. I know that was a pretty big hit too, and I'm pretty eager to do more wheelies and test out the other modes and stuff for, you know, other lift control settings and stuff. So thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's like, it's so hard to do it like that.
It's so hard to what?
To do wheelies like that, power up. I need to learn clutch up, but I'm not ballsy enough yet.
Oh yeah. You'll get there, mine. But yeah, guys, this was just kind of a random, you know, video. We figured we'd test some stuff out and see what's up to you guys, and you know, just cruise around and stuff. Hopefully you guys liked it. I feel like we should do more of these videos. I feel like they do better, you know, these just kind of bullshit videos. But let us know what you guys like, man. At the end of the day, that's what we're here for. We're here to entertain you guys, so let us know in that comment section down below, baby. But yeah, we got a lot of video plans. It's just time, man. Working full time and trying to do YouTube full time, it's hard. Most of the time I can only really make videos on the weekends, and yeah, it's just, and then like this weekend for instance, the weather was crap, so I couldn't really do anything, and it just puts a damper in everything. So but yeah, we're learning, and believe it or not, your guys' feedback is extremely important, so stop being so quiet in that comment section. And also, we're about to hit 700 subscribers, yo. 700. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but for us it's crazy. I mean, I know we've been doing this for over a year, but you know, we took a break for quite a while, so you know, this growth that we got was much needed and kind of uplifting and everything. And I mean, obviously I think the MT-09 helped a bit too, but yeah, we're just trying to build this community and get out some good content for you guys. I'm sure some of it will be shat sometimes, you know, but hopefully work will calm down a bit, and it'll give me more time to record videos for you guys. So, or maybe I'll make my brother make some more videos without me, if you guys would like that.
Some cruiser videos on my own.
Yeah. Let him talk for a while. Give me a break. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me talk. But yeah, anyways, guys, I know it's kind of a short little BS video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, let us know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see, and we'll make it happen. But until next time, peace.